Mornings shouldn't begin with a checklist of aches, but if you're over 60, your joints may be telling you they're starving for one missing nutrient. That nutrient is the raw material your body uses to rebuild the cushioning between your bones. Inside your knees, hips, and spine, collagen acts like a shock-absorbing gel. But after 60, production plummets, leaving tendons and ligaments brittle. Here's the good news. 4 common fruits can kickstart your body's collagen factory, and the last one is a tiny green powerhouse that outperforms an orange. Stay with me. Let's start with fruit number 4. Fruit number 4, pineapple. If your joints feel swollen and hot, pineapple deserves a spot on your plate. It contains bromelain, a natural enzyme that quiets the inflammatory signals making your knees puff up. Bromelain works like a cleanup crew, clearing out the cellular debris that stiffens movement. Plus, pineapple delivers manganese, a trace mineral your body uses to weave collagen fibers into strong, flexible tissue. 1 cup of fresh chunks gives you more than half your daily need. In fact, research suggests bromelain helps lower C-reactive protein, a key marker of inflammation that doctors watch in arthritis patients. Fruit number 3, kiwi. You could be eating plenty of protein, eggs, salmon, chicken, but if your body can't break it down, those amino acids never reach your cartilage. Kiwi solves that with a one-of-a-kind enzyme called actinidin. It helps your gut unlock the building blocks you need to repair worn-down joints. And don't forget vitamin C. Just 1 kiwi packs over 70% of your daily vitamin C, the spark plug for collagen synthesis. Without it, new collagen can't form. And here's something few people know. Actinidin even helps your body absorb the collagen found in bone broth or gelatin, making kiwi the perfect partner for joint-healing meals. Number 2, blueberries. Think of free radicals as tiny sparks that burn holes in your collagen mesh. Blueberries drench those sparks with anthocyanins, the deep purple pigments that also protect your brain. These antioxidants form a shield around collagen fibers, slowing the wear and tear that makes joints creak. Better blood flow is another bonus. Anthocyanins relax your tiny vessels so more oxygen and joint-nourishing nutrients arrive where they're needed. Frozen or fresh, just avoid syrupy pie filling. One study found that regular blueberry intake cut oxidative damage in joint cells by nearly half. That's like cutting years off your joint age. Fruit number 1, Amla. Finally, the number 1 fruit that surprises even nutritionists, Amla, the Indian gooseberry. If you've never heard of it, you're not alone. But Amla holds a secret that puts oranges to shame. It contains one of the highest stable vitamin C levels in nature. Most vitamin C degrades quickly, but Amla stays active even after drying, which means your body actually gets the full dose. Vitamin C activates fibroblasts, the special cells that weave new collagen strands. Without enough, those fibroblasts go dormant. Amla also protects existing collagen with a 1-2 punch of antioxidants, so you're not just building new, you're guarding what you have. In Ayurveda, Amla has been used for centuries as a rasayana, a rejuvenating tonic. Just 1 fresh Amla berry delivers around 600 milligrams of vitamin C, with a stability other fruits can't match. Collagen is the scaffolding of your joints. Feed it or lose it. Consistency is key. Add pineapple to your morning smoothie, slice kiwi onto a salad, mix blueberries into oatmeal, and try Amla powder in warm water with a touch of honey. No fruit is a magic wand, but if you eat these 4 regularly, pineapple, kiwi, blueberries, Amla, you're giving your body the precise tools to slow joint aging and move with less pain. Whenever possible, choose fresh fruit over juice to get the full enzyme and fiber benefit. Final words. Now, if this video gave you a new idea for your grocery list, smash that like button and subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle. We share natural solutions you won't find in a pill bottle. Nature packed a repair kit inside these 4 fruits. Let us know in the comments, which fruit will you try first? And have you ever tasted Amla? I'll see you in the next video.